Wipe the camera off. Yeah. I have no idea what this is. Probably upside down right now. Welcome in. I am Brina Litty. We talk all things litty, but today I kind of have a different video. We have an unboxing. A random mystery question. Blazy Susan, I know. I like doing these videos. I don't like doing these videos, but if you like these kind of videos, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share, like, subscribe. Let me know what's up. So this is kind of a random video. I came home and I didn't know what this box was. I was like, did I order something? Did I? Huh? Okay. I saw a little box. Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow. Hello, honey lemon tea leaf cones and wraps. Honey. This is cute. This is no way. Huh? What? How do you open this? Hold up. Hold up. No way. No way. This is... Yes. Hey, hun. Okay, so let's go through the box. It's giving. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Do we have a card or anything? I think I see a card all the way at the bottom. Did I open this wrong? I think I see something at the bottom. Hold up, hold up. I grabbed these way too early, but these are cute. They're little, they're recipes. Look how, it says remedy tea, bee's knees mocktail. This is too cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. Poker. We always love a good poker. Blazy Susan poker. I wish I had an acrylic. Hold up. And that thought. Like poker, but this is so perfect an idea. It's iconic. It's beautiful. You put your doink in the holder right here. You can also use it to stuff your cone. I'm saying, like, Blazy Susan's on top of it. They're iconic. They're beautiful. No way. Oh my god. Okay, so we have, these are both tea wraps. This is the king size tea leaf cone. This is just a plain flavor. We have the tea leaf wraps. My favorite. Have now the Russian cream king size big doinks. Big doinks. And last but not least, the new flavor that has came out, the honey lemon tea leaf wrap. I'm a rap girly. I'm a rap girly. I love rap. What else do we have? We have a ashtray. Period. Iconic. Beautiful. Silicone. I'm gonna see how this goes. But I love this. This is cute. This is iconic. This is beautiful. This is heat resistant, portable. Catch me outside with it. Literally. Catch me outside. I'm gonna be sitting at a grill and chill or something. I'm gonna be like, I got an ashtray. Next. I needed some filters. Oh, I needed some filters. Favorite filters in the world. I've yet to find another kind better. Show me different. Tell me different. I love them. Carbon filters. Oh, yes. Okay. These are just as cute. Isn't that iconic? No, these carbon filters, I'm so excited to use. They're ceramic caps, filter paper, coconut-based activated carbon. These are just going to help give you a more clean smoke. We'll see. This is so exciting. I take back everything I said about an acrylic one, because how could I forget? They have, it's not, I wouldn't say it's acrylic. How could I forget about these? So what you'll do, you'll take your cone. I should have wiped the camera off. Oh my, yeah. Needed it. Next, so we saw this. This is for honey. Do a little oop. I'm saving this for last. It's huge. What? Beekeeper made bee wax lip balm. It's chapstick season. They already know. Iconic. Whoa. Here I was thinking that this was just confetti. I would have thrown this away. I was about to get rid of it. Okay, so this is too cute. No way. I thought it was too good to be true. I thought, no way is this what I think it is. No way. Look at that. It's a reusable silicone tea bag. Okay, all right, so let's go. Let's begin. We're to the last bit pieces. Okay, stick with me here. What do we have? Okay, a spoon. A plate. And a fucking teacup. I smell this. I really wanna zigzag. Ooh. Blazy Susan. Thank you. And that's on Litty. There's that. Thank you everyone for watching. We are going to be trying those new wraps. We are going to be trying a lot of these things that we just got today. And I'm going to be trying the tea later on. If you guys like the video again, please like, share, subscribe, say hi. To be litty is to be you, and to be you is beautiful. I'll see you guys next time. The camera's blurry, but I'm maybe. What did I? Right here. Oh. Whoa. All I got is lip gloss.